during this week ahead, we have to work our businesses out of love, right? We have to operate out of love. Fear is useless in this situation. I'm not saying not to be careful. I'm not saying to not show kindness. We have to show kindness. We have to, have you heard what you are focusing on, you will attract? And I just want to caution everyone that, like, everyone talks to themselves, right? People talk to themselves all day long. All day long you're talking to yourself. Some people answer themselves, which is scary. No, I'm kidding. Again, sarcasm. And some people do this aloud. My husband's been working from home, and he'll be rambling, and I'm like, are you talking to me? Because I can't, no, I'm talking to myself. You're not talking to yourself, you're talking aloud, right? But what are the thoughts going on inside your head all day long? Because if they're negative, if they're full of fear and worry and anxiety and lack, you're going to get more fear, anxiety, lack. It's the way of the universe. And I really want to ask you to switch that to positive thoughts. Even if you're not feeling it 100%, switch your negative thoughts to positive thoughts. Because if you focus on abundance, all the blessings around us, yes, I do not have 12,000 rolls of toilet paper. That's okay. I probably have 12. That's abundance to me. Whatever. Abundance. Feelings, good feelings of belief that are uplifting. Feelings of self-love. That's what we should be concentrating on. And what are you using your business for? Is there some way you can use your business this week to uplift someone, to offer something to someone? Just try to find ways to turn the negativity, without using sarcasm like me, any negative thoughts into positive thoughts. And, well, how can you use this situation? And we joked about it in our women's networking group last week. But it's true. We can all find ways to help other people. So I want you to go back to, I've talked about this 16 billion times and I don't want to do it again, but, in the Bible it says, ask, seek, knock. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. And let me tell you that what you are seeking is seeking you. And it's really exciting when you come to that conclusion. And I'm going to be talking so much more about this week in our Free Life Collective group. And first of all, if I don't know you, please let me know that we haven't talked yet, because I'd love to get to know my Facebook friends. But also, if I haven't invited you to the Free Life Collective, we concentrate all on mindset and manifestation and motivation, and it's so uplifting in there. It's so incredible. I'm with 5 other women, and all we want to do is bring goodness to you guys and your businesses. So if this at all resonated with you, let me know, and I'll invite you to the group. But one of the things that Bob Proctor, I'll leave you with this, Bob Proctor says, is that I want to say it right. You must have something mentally before you can ever have it physically. And I just love that, because again, I'm going to say it. If you are thinking of the week ahead of you with negativity, with fear, lack, how am I going to expand my business if I can't go to this meeting, or I can't have lunch with so-and-so, or I can't, there's a million ways, so flip it around, make it a good thing. Sit in the comfort of your own home and do a messenger meeting, and you can both have coffee, and your kids can be running around doing whatever they want. There's so many ways now that we can reach each other, and I want you to focus on the positive. I really want you to, because all of this will pass. We're going to look back in a couple months and be like, oh, remember that? I couldn't come up with the name anthrax the other day. Right? Do you remember the anthrax scare? So anyway, I just want to leave you with that whatever you focus on, you will have more of. So let's focus on the positive and make it a great week. I love you guys. Blessings to you and your week ahead in your business. And like I said, if you would like to join our group and learn more about manifesting and motivation and be motivated to manifest and all those good things, then you have to let me know, okay? Blessings. Have a great one.